Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you 8 super cool Zoom tips and tricks that will turn you into a power user. The first tip is to get a virtual background, in case you already haven't got one. With a virtual background, you no longer have to worry about cleaning up the mess in your room or in the background of your video. All people can see is your face in your video, and in the background they'll see some sort of image. To get a virtual background, open the Zoom app, click on the settings icon, and then click on virtual background. Now you can choose between the default virtual backgrounds, or you can click on the plus icon to upload your own virtual background. Are you tired of rushing to turn off the video and audio as soon as you join a Zoom meeting? Well, you can have the audio and video turned off by default as soon as you join a Zoom meeting. Open the Zoom app, click on the settings icon, and then click on audio. Now check the mute microphone when joining a meeting option, and from now on your audio will be muted when you join a meeting. Now similarly, to turn off the video, click on the video tab, and then check the turn off video when joining a meeting option. A lot of users are unaware that Zoom has a feature to automatically enhance your appearance. The feature is similar to the Enhance My Face feature on Android smartphones. To turn on this feature, open Zoom, click on Settings, and then Video. Now check the Enhance My Appearance option, and Zoom will start beautifying your face. Another helpful Zoom trick is a keyboard shortcut that mutes/unmutes your audio. Simply hit the Alt plus A key on your keyboard to mute/unmute your audio. On a Mac, you would press Command plus Shift plus A. This keyboard shortcut is great because you don't have to fiddle around on your computer trying to find the mute/unmute button. You can just press this keyboard shortcut, and as you can see, you instantly become muted or unmuted. Another helpful Zoom trick is to mute everyone else in the group. This can be very helpful when you're speaking and are interrupted by a background noise coming from one of the meeting participants. Instead of finding who the noise is coming from and muting them individually, you can simply hit the Alt plus M key on your keyboard to mute everyone in the group. On a Mac, you would press the Command, Control, and M keys. The only downside is that this keyboard shortcut is only available to the meeting host. So if you're not hosting the meeting, you cannot use this, unfortunately. Zoom by default shows the face of the person currently talking. And to be honest, seeing one person speaking for a very long time can have you feeling quite sleepy. That's why you should enable gallery view in Zoom. What gallery view does is that it shows each and every participant instead of showing the person talking. This makes long Zoom meetings much more bearable. To turn on gallery view, simply click on Settings and then click on Video. Now check the Display up to 49 participants in gallery view option. On an Android or iOS device, all you have to do is swipe left on the active speaker to switch to gallery mode. If you want to easily share your screen, simply hit the Alt, Shift, and S keys on your keyboard. On a Mac, you would press the Command, Shift, and S keys. As soon as you hit these three keys, the Share Your Screen window will pop up on your screen. Now you can select what you want to share on your screen. While the shortcut is helpful, it requires you to memorize 3 different key combinations, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of a keyboard shortcut. Many users are unaware that Zoom allows you to react with emojis during a meeting. This can be particularly useful if you have your audio and video turned off during a meeting, but still want to show the speaker that you're interested in listening to them. So next time during a Zoom meeting, simply click on the Reactions tab from the bottom menu, and then you can either send a clapping or you can send a thumbs up emoji. And that wraps up this video. If these tips helped you out, hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this.